morning, can I help you? Yes, I'd like to ticket to Almaty, please. What time would you like to leave? I want to catch the next train at 11:15. Single or return? Return, please. That's £35, please. Here you are. Which platform does the train leave from? Platform 6. Thank you. You are welcome. Have a nice trip. Hi guys, it was a role play about train station. Role playing is effective if you use your imagination. Think of a situation, the setting, who you are, and how you feel, what gestures you might use. Today's our new theme is about buying a train ticket. Listen and repeat.
Can I help you? Can I help you? What time would you like to leave? What time would you like to leave? Single or return? Single or return? Can you tell me which platform the train leaves from? Can you tell me which platform the train leaves from? You're welcome. You're welcome.
The sentences are from a dialogue between Mr. Omar and a ticket clerk. Where does Mr. Omar want to go? Listen to find out.
Good afternoon, sir. Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like an adult's and a child's ticket to Brighton, please.
What time would you like to leave?
3:45.
Single or return?
Single, please.
That's £54.
Here you are. Can you tell me which platform the train leaves from?
Certainly, sir. It leaves from platform 4.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Please open your books, page 106. Look at exercise 2. Read the dialogue and mark sentence true or false. Exercise 3. Find sentence in the dialogue which mean: May I help you? The cost is £54. My pleasure. Enjoy your trip. The next task. Exercise 4. Look at the dialogue in exercise 2. Take rows and read it aloud. And please send me your videos about this dialogue. So children, your home task. Exercise 5. You are at King's Cross train station in London. You want to buy a ticket to Cambridge. Single ticket and a return ticket. Your partner is a ticket clerk. Change the words in color in the dialogue and act out your own dialogue. You can use the dialogue in exercise 2 as a model. Record yourselves. That's all. The lesson is over. Goodbye. See you soon.
2.36 Exercise 2 1. 4:30 2. 8:10 3. 12:40 4. 7:58 5. 9:15 6. 2:25
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam. How can I help you?
I would like to buy a ticket to Waterloo Station.
Would you like to go by express train?
No, thank you. I will take the regular train.
Would you like to buy A one-way or return ticket.
How much are the tickets?
The one-way ticket is £15. The return ticket is £20.
I will take the return ticket.
Here they are.
Which platform do I go to?
You need to go to platform 3. And take the train to Waterloo Station.
What time is the next train?
The train departs every 15 minutes. The next train departs at 9:30.
How long is the journey?
The journey takes about 20 minutes.
Thank you.
Have a great trip.
Excuse me, is this platform 3?
Yes, it is.
Does this train go to Waterloo Station?
Yes, it does.
Thanks.
This train is now ready to depart. Please stand clear of the closing doors.
Do you know how to get to Notting Hill?
Yes, I do. When the train arrives at Waterloo Station, get off the train. Take the Jubilee line. Is the Grey line. Go to Westminster. Get off at Westminster. And take the Circle line. Bound for Edgware Road. You get off at Notting Hill Gate.
Thank you so much.
Station take 2.
This train is now ready to depart. Please stand clear of the closing doors.
Station take 2.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform. The next station is Notting Hill Gate. This is Notting Hill Gate.
A single ticket. Or a one-way ticket. A return ticket. A train platform. A metro platform. A ticket office. A ticket machine. Express train. A customer. A ticket seller. A metro map. Route map.